5 years, Opel has led in electric motorsport. We pushed limits, we have learned from every race, and we perfected what it takes to build a next-level electric rally car. And now we bring that experience to the street.
The Mokka GSE is a statement, a bold move from rally to road. We've taken the exact same technology from the rally car and put it into the street car one-to-one.
When you drive the Mokka GSE, you feel it immediately. This is no ordinary electric vehicle. This is motorsport for the road.
We are creating a driving experience that leaves you breathless. The kind that makes you go OMG every single time. It's built to make your heart race.
Our goal was to make our pure fascination of rallying accessible to everyone. Did we get it right? We are car guys ourselves, and we absolutely love it.
The instant torque of an electric car is impressive, but the Mokka GSE is even more. It remains incredibly agile up to its top speed. It behaves so precise in corners, you can feel the motorsport DNA.
The Mokka has always been a car that demands attention. The Mokka GSE takes it to the next level.
Engineered in Rüsselsheim, perfected on the track.
But enough talk, get in and feel the OMG for yourself.